best place in America, bro.
You see, we ain't go to a Chevy dealership,
We had the
bro.
best place in the, bro. He wanted to come here so bad. So I said, you know what, let me go ahead. He had been crying so much. Let me go ahead and just bring him here, bro, and let him see these nice, beautiful cars. So I'm gonna let him go back to his channel. But y'all hit that subscribe button, subscribe to my boy.
We in the cut.
We
got the red key with the red lights. You hear me?
With strawberry syrup running down their nipples and fries on their titties.
Wait, what?
Huh? I'm at a Dodge dealership.
Y'all heard that? What's he talking
I'm
about?
at a Dodge dealership, boy. It is what it is. I guess.
I need to watch my shit.
I like you buy the car, bro, so we can have a reason to be in.
All right, y'all. So we done touched down at Landmark. You feel me? We on the boatyard right now, so it's a lot of boats as y'all can see. But I think most of these.
For what?
I think most of these be V6s.
Get the fuck out of here.
How much is that?
41,000.
It's a RT?
V6, bro.
No, it's a V6. It's a V6.
Yeah, go ahead, talk your shit. 41,000 for V6.
Hey, man, Josh Jackson, right, bro.
It's like your shit.
Right. But I pay half of that price, bro. Look at it, bro. I got the sunroof, though. I like that. Sunroof.
It only got 11 miles.
Oh, it's brand new, that's why. But still, though, nigga.
That shit brand spanking new. 11 miles. What you mean you're not paying 66? It's eco diesel.
Bro, it's big as fuck, though.
And it's a jailbreak.
What?
That bitch a big horn. Cause you gotta be big and dumb.
I'll forget in this bitch.
Oh, big horn. This is dumb.
Oh yeah, we in this hole.
This bitch spacious
This
as
is
hell.
dumb.
God.
Everybody
hella
freestyle
space
go.
back here.
Oh.
Y'all see all the space I
We
got?
had Dodge, about to get some shit. About to pull up on your...
Oh.
Bro, what?
Go ahead, Jude. What you got?
Bro.
Shit, I ain't freestyling.
That nigga sounded freestyle.
Got some proof for that shit. No, that shit is spacious,
No,
though.
look at the screen, though.
Yeah, that's that Tesla shit. I think all
Nah, I'm about to say don't rip that shit off. That's supposed to be for. I should go in each Dodge and rip that hoe off.
This shit hard, though.
Hey, y'all see that wide body Charger scat? Oh my God. And they got the red guts. Y'all see that? Oh my God. I'm talking about wide body skizzy. They got another wide body skizzy. I ain't gonna lie. I've been feeling the wide body challenges lately, bro. Like I used to like the wide body Chargers, but like the wide body challenges. I've been feeling these lately, I ain't gonna lie. Like look at it, bro. They got a sunroof too. Oh my God. Can y'all see me in a wide body challenge? Let me know. Comment down below if y'all can see me in a wide body challenge, man. I'm trying to tell you, but which one y'all think look better? Comment down below. The Challenger or the Charger? Challenger, Charger. Comment down below, let me know. See what these burgers over here doing. Y'all see, we getting to the money, you feel me? My boy working. Everybody working, you feel me? This shit crazy.
Bro, it is packed. So before any of that, make sure you like this video, hit that subscribe button, you want to go to 10K, and like this video. And look where I brought it. Look at him, he's trying to hide. He's trying to hide.
Chevy owner, what is Chevy owner at?
Dodge dealership.
What you doing here?
Oh shit, I'm lost as fuck.
Bro, you love it here, don't you?
Huh?
You love it here, don't
Nah,
you, bro?
nah,
What's
I
your
mean-
MG, bro?
These straight, man. This shit straight right here. I'm in a little Dodge, you know what I'm saying? It's something small, ain't nothing crazy, but it's alright, you know. But for real shit, look at this, bro. It look like a
Bro, it's like a desert out here.
a desert.
It's packed. I have not seen a Dodge dealership this packed.
Cause nobody want these mugs, bro. Nobody want these mugs. I'm telling you.
I ain't gonna lie. They'll probably run you a good deal though.
Real shit. I'm telling y'all, that's how it goes.
Why is he here? And why was he just
Bro, if I went to a Chevy lot, I walk up on that Chevy lot like this. Bro, I walk up on Chevy lot just like this.
Keep it in when he's trying to buy a hellcat.
Hey, you see that, Jude?
I'm disposable.
Chevy lot, I walk up like this, boy.
So when you see him buy a red Hellcat,
You at a Dodge. You at a Dodge dealership
I'm at a
right
Dodge
now.
dealership.
So you see what we at though. It's a lot of cars out here, bro, and the prices is crazy.
Talking about this shit. Whack. We gotta go over here, bro. All the fly shit over here. All the cats over here, bro. Brando. All the cats over here.
Over here.
He talking about what is it?
What is an eco diesel?
I ain't gonna lie, I don't know what an eco
What's a
diesel is.
1500 eco diesel?
I think e-torque is
What's an
electric.
e-torque?
I think it's electric.
Yo, bro, this is
What's
this,
it?
bro, this something that Chevy don't know nothing about, bro. This is Dodge, bro. Look at that, bro. You can
That
either go
nigga said
eco, you can go eco mode, or you
Bro,
go diesel, bro. Come on,
That's
bro.
a
Best of both worlds, bro.
transgender, exactly.
Whoa.
That's the whole transgender.
Nigga said transgender
That
truck.
sound gay. Eco diesels, hey, torque. What that motherfucker? Bro, what kind of e-torque? Look, he can't even open it. Bro, that's crazy. Eco diesel. Y'all don't ever do that to people like that.
No, I ain't gonna lie. If you know what the eco diesel is, comment down below. Let me know what that is. I really don't know what the eco diesel is.
That shit is ugly. Look at them cotton ass seats. I'm done picking cotton. Bro, slavery is done.
What does it look like?
What's this?
It's factory.
What it look like though? If you had it, if you seen this on the road, what would you think it was?
I think it's a
V8.
cat. I think it's a cat. I think it's a cat just because of Brambos.
It's a V6, bro.
No, it's not.
I swear to God.
Damn, they put Brembos on the
V6, bro. I swear to God. Hold up.
Thank you, Ryan. That's all I needed.
Hold up.
You even admitted it.
It's a part.
I'm gonna pop this up. I'm gonna show y'all.
Yeah, you chilling.
I'm finna show y'all, bro.
I told you, you act like we at home. Them Dodge niggas got no respect. Cause they gonna think you stealing the intake. Yeah, that's a V6.
With Brembos.
You get the heated steering wheel, you get the Brambos.
Waste some money. And how much they want to
With-
$49,000 for a yourself.
No, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know why they put Brembos on this shit.
They put Brembos.
They go another one right here.
Another one.
Why the fuck? I just thought why would you need Brambos on a V6?
That's what we saying. It's a waste of money.
What's that nigga name that be doing the reviews? I'm gonna
Dodge is real shit though. Like I'll say this, Dodge. Yes, the cars are nice. Any American car is nice. But Dodge, you fucking up. You have 20 different cars. You got 10 different V6s, 20 different V8s, and when it comes to a supercharged Hellcat motor, you got 20 different platforms again. What you got? A jailbreak. Oh, I got a swinger. I got this. I got that. I got a demon. I got an angel.
They marketing geniuses.
The difference between Dodge and Chevy.
I don't want to say it's a genius. That's why y'all so backed up because
No.
it's too many, bro. You flooded the market.
The difference between Dodge and Chevy, you gotta buy the car how you want it. Dodge, you literally could build it on how you want it. If you want a heated steering wheel, but you want a V6 or a V8 motor, you can get that.
No, we can
if
build
If you
it.
want a supercharged
We can
car,
build cap.
If you want a supercharged car with
Cap.
something capless,
We can build it. We can build our shit too.
So you can't, bro.
Yes, you can. You can.
delete that clip.
This
Delete.
nigga broke the truck.
Look at this shit. Damn.
And then he said we buy it, drive it, hit off the lot, drive off a fucking bridge.
Dead ass serious. $225,000 can get you any fucking car.
Nah, I ain't gonna
you
lie.
want.
I'd rather get a Huracan, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
I go Huracan, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
Listen, bro.
You talking about 225,000?
Bro, I'm telling you, bro, it depends on what you're looking for, bro. If you want that power, you're gonna go American Muscle. But if you want that quick torqueness, bro, and fucking maintenance out the ass, bro, you're gonna go Lamborghini.
Nigga, $225,000. I'm gonna buy a V6 twin turbo. That bitch and still be the.
All right, man, we done made it to the shop. Y'all can see it's nighttime, and I don't really record at night, so I know this kind of different. But my boy finna pick up his
Picking up the
Z.
It's not done, bro.
My boy got his. Can't tell y'all, but show me what to do. That's your headliner? Yeah. Finna poke a million holes.
Got the head on this bitch.
My boy getting his headlights. It's gonna be hard with the red lights, I ain't even gonna lie. But I got his his headliner taken up. Oh, they wrapped the front bumper. Y'all watched earlier in this video, or my last video, y'all will see that this was not wrapped when we left. What's going on, bro?
What's going on YouTube? Follow me on Instagram.
No! God, please, no!
What's going on?
What's up? Man, you did this shit fast. We were just up here. Let me see the headline. Oh, yeah, she gone. Yeah, they grab this fast. Matte Black Scatty Pack. Matte Black Scatty Patty. It honestly don't look that bad. You only gonna be running like that for a day anyway. That's hard, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That's how I want to mine, bro. How they like. Oh, look at that pink, purple. That's hard.
See that one right there? That's in Jamaica.
How you feeling about it, bro?
Shit look beautiful, bro.
I got good fall lights because I had them send me some because they sent me halo rings. These are too big. I ain't even open it. They're too big. I mean,
I like it, bro. That shit hard.
you want to see how it look? We can make it work. It's just, they're too big. What's that? This how it look. What's that you said that you brought? Oh, here it is. It'll look like this.
Got one down. One more to go. All right, my boy.
Yes, sir.
I see you.
Get home and edit. Y'all got about 14.
Hey, I'm finna go home and go to sleep. I ain't gonna lie.
The next day.
Yo.
Well, for one, your tint's too dark.
Yeah. That's it.
The tag cover on the tag can't have a tinted tag cover on the tag either. Okay, it's got to be clear, completely clear.
I thought it was cool if you could see it.
It's a car, bro.
I don't take debit.
Oh,
I'm gonna swipe. Appreciate it, man. Is this car in your name? The tag and everything?
Yeah, everything in my
Do you have the registration paper with you?
yeah, I'm going here.
No, you're fine. Like you done some work to it.
Yeah. As y'all can see, I'm editing this video right now. And like I said, bro, if y'all want these cars, just know you're gonna get pulled over. But if y'all see a gray Charger, if you're police and you're watching this, you see a gray Charger with light with you on the side, do not pull me over, bro, because you're not gonna find nothing. So y'all folks stop pulling me over, man. But yeah, continue watching this video.
See that
Here you go.
K&N filter from the, see that from right here, man.
Yeah.
What's this, Scat Pack or what?
That's a V6.
It's a V6?
I swear.
For real?
I swear.
Damn. Yeah, this thing look like a Hellcat, man.
Yeah, I know.
I'm just gonna give you a warning today, okay? If you could just roll the window up for me just a little bit, I'm gonna put the meter on it, tell you where it's at, okay? So anything below 32 is illegal. So the way tint works is when I put this on there, it's gonna display a number, right? If it's below 32, that means it's too dark. If it's above 32, that means it's within state law, okay? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're at 5, like you way down there, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, all right, I'll just be right back, man. I'm just gonna give you one a day, all right?
All right, appreciate you.
Yes, sir.
Bruh, y'all see this shit? Like,
Got everybody driving.
out of everybody. I fucked
pull
up,
you
gave the
over.
man my car, but man, y'all see, y'all want these charges, man. Just know you're gonna get pulled over.
That's why you get a Mustang.
Bruh,
So you don't have to deal with this.
he talking about 10. He asked for my registration and everything. You feel me? But to be honest, he really just want to run my name to see if I got, you feel me, a warrant or something.
Just car.
He really don't care if I got 10.
It's
Yeah, the
really
first
don't.
thing.
It's just a good reason to pull somebody over. It's just an excuse.
Probably think it's stolen.
Yeah.
Everything I'm finna come back straight, you feel me? But
At least he ain't asked for my ID like that last dickhead.
oh yeah, last
Yeah,
call.
that nigga was a dickhead, bro. Like, I'm just sitting there like this, y'all. I'm just sitting there like this. Where's your ID? Like, fuck, I got to do with that. Fuck.
YouTube, if you done made it this far, man, make sure you drop down a bomb emoji. You feel me? So I can know who really watching and who really supporting your boy. But right now, I'm headed somewhere, and I just decided to give y'all a little nighttime POV since, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I just feel like bring y'all a POV, so that's what we gonna do. So here we are. But as y'all can see, we got a nice K5 light. They just got it. I actually do like the K5s, I'm not gonna lie. Y'all be feeling like folks be trying to race me or something. Like, look at him. What are you doing? But, yeah, man. We just slow rolling right now, cruising to our destination, you feel me? No speed, none of that. Y'all see I'm going 46. You feel me? Don't do none of that speed, none of that. So if you're a cop and you watching this, you might as well just go and click out the video, bro, because ain't no speeding going on in this video. Like, I ain't no police. He just got a light bar on his car. But I ain't did a POV in a little minute. If y'all know, if y'all been watching, y'all know me. Y'all know I used to do POVs like every day, but I decided to step away from POVs because POVs are kind of boring. I'm not gonna lie. You feel me? Especially in the 3-6. But we ain't gonna talk about that because I got something special for y'all boys coming very, very soon. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Hit that sub button if y'all want to see. You feel me? What's going in this bad boy? Because I haven't told y'all yet, but I think I'm just going ahead and tell y'all. This V6 is coming out sometime next year. So yeah, man, it's gonna be big, it's gonna be epic, it's gonna be crazy. You feel me? But y'all folks make sure you hit that sub button if y'all want to see what's going in this Charger, because let me tell you, it's gonna be crazy for sure. But yeah, man. When I be doing these, like, I be realizing how bad I need a dash cam. Cause like, folks be driving so stupid, bro. I'd rather just have me, I'm gonna invest in the dash cam. I keep saying I am, and I never do it, but I think I'm gonna finally invest in the dash cam, bro. For stuff like that, you see what I'm saying? Oh, I smell like peanut butter when I just did that. I swear, bro, my car be, like, when I be hitting the gas, bro, like, my car be putting out some of the weirdest smells, bro. Like, it be smelling like peanut butter when I hit the gas sometimes, bro. It be smelling like strawberry. Like, I don't know what that is, bro. I ain't got nothing done. Like, I ain't careless or nothing, so, but it be putting out that smell when I be stomping it. I know if you careless, it just smells like a whole bunch of like gas. But mine, it be giving off like different smells. I don't know. It's crazy. But yeah, man, you finna hit the highway. So it's probably gonna end this video, man. I know I wasn't too crazy, you feel me? But I definitely do got more bangers coming for y'all boys. So y'all folks make sure y'all stay tuned. And like I always say, man, I will catch y'all boys in the next video.